What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler, and this is S'mores Cuisine. So, Oreos released their S'mores Oreos, or as the fans have unofficially named them, S'moreos, again this year, and that's pretty exciting for me. So, I decided I would grab some and make a recipe with them as well. And that's why today I'm going to show you how to make a vegan Oreo S'mores Bake. Before we get started, however, if you are new to this channel, let me first welcome you. This is S'mores Cuisine. Here I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes that you won't find anywhere else. I review vegan products, and we talk a lot about eating more healthy and sustainably. So, if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. For ingredients, you'll of course need about 16 of these S'mores Oreos plus some more for garnish. If you are watching this at a time these aren't available, then hopefully they'll bring these back every summer. But if not, any kind of Oreos will work. About 36 large vegan marshmallows cut in half. 4 3-ounce chocolate bars, and for this recipe we're going to use endangered species chocolate. If you don't know about endangered species chocolate, they donate 10% of their net profits to help save endangered species, and that is certainly something we can appreciate here at S'mores Cuisine. So next time you need some chocolate bars, make sure to check out endangered species chocolate. You also need about 1 sleeve of graham crackers, and make sure they are vegan like these. And make sure they are cut up into little squares. And we're going to top this dish off with some chocolate syrup. For materials, you'll just need an oven and an 8x8 baking pan. All right, without any more delay, let's get baking.
right, and here we have our vegan Oreo S'mores Bake.
If you would like to make the recipe, I'll have it linked as a PDF down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.